guys, so let's learn how to play this beautiful melody mask off on off flute. So this one is an easy one. There's no any sharp flat notes, just natural notes. So I hope everyone can try this one, and you guys can use any flute that you have. If I play this one on my G bass, first I use my C medium, and now I'm trying with my G bass. Same fingering, same melody, just the scales difference. Okay, so you guys can use any flute that you have. Just try this fingering. Okay, so only 2 lines, only 2 breathing. We can play the whole music. Okay, so let's see how the first line goes like. Take one breath and play this line. Re dha ma pa, re dha ma pa, shuddha ma. Okay, re dha ma pa, re dha ma pa. If you're struggling on ma pa transition, just take your time. Okay, don't worry. Re dha ma pa. First line is done, and let's move to the second one. It is a little bit hard because it goes like this. This one is a little bit hard because you need to play it very fast. Notes goes like pada pa ma ga re sa da re pa dha pa ma. Before you try it very fast, try to identify how your fingers moving, like pa dha pa shuddha ma ga, pa dha pa ma ga. That 4 notes you need to play very fast, not 4-5 notes. Pa dha pa ma ga. Okay, pa dha pa ma ga. Try it slowly, then train your fingers to move, then you can play it very fast, like that. Then add re. Pada pa ma ga re sa da re, pada pa ma ga re sa da re. Just 2 blowing, just 2 lines. It goes like again like this. So that's how we play mask off music on off flute. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. See you next time. So until that, keep playing, keep practice. Thank you for watching.